Okay, campers, this is a follow-up video. I just did a video of how I installed AC in this pop-up. We used it this weekend and we did really well. But somebody said what you need to do is put some reflective shield up here. It'll actually really help. So I did go on Amazon, and here we go. I was able to get reflective shield product, and then I installed it with these little clips. These clips will hold that down. It grabs part of the canvas underneath here, so it'll hold it really well. And as you can see, I got pretty good coverage. This is our queen size bed, and I got enough, of course, for the other side too. So I thought I'd just do this little quick follow-up video. I think this is going to work out really great, help to insulate the ceiling for any heat loss, but then also make sure that the sun that's beating down doesn't add that extra heat inside the camper. It should make our AC unit even more efficient. Thanks for watching. Okay, since my queen unit was a little bit bigger than the product came, I think the product comes 60 inches by about 80, something like that. I was able to seam it with this metal tape. So I was able to cut some seams. This metal tape will definitely stick really well with this, and it'll hold it together. So if you have to do the same for the queen size, for the smaller bed, the twin, I was able to cut it out of one piece.